conductor and semiconductor diode. There are large number of material like germanium, silicon, etc., which have resistivity lying between those of an insulator and conductor. Such the material are known as semiconductor. An absolute zero, pure and perfect crystal of the semiconductor are non-conducting. Their resistivity approaching to the resistivity of an insulator. They can be made conductivity by adding impurity, and due to thermal agitation, lattice defeats, etc. Semiconductors becomes conducting at room temperature. Semiconductors have useful property, and they and are being extensively used in electronic circuits. Semiconductor generally a semiconductor 19 16 20 18. Generally, a semiconductor is defined in terms of electrical resistivity, and under a semiconductor is a substance which has resistivity 10⁻⁴ to 0.5 ohms meter in between conductors and insulator table. Electrical resistivity of various materials at 20 degrees Celsius in ohm meter. Material: aluminum Al, silver Ag, silicon Si, germanium Ge, glass mica. Nature: good conductor, semiconductor, insulator. Resistivity 2.8 ×10⁻⁸ एलुमिनियम में होता है, सिल्वर में 1.6 ×10⁻⁸ ओम मीटर, सिलिकॉन में 0.47 ओम मीटर, जर्मेनियम में 0.6 ओम मीटर, ग्लास में 9 ×10⁻11 ओम मीटर, मिका में 7 ×10⁻14 ओम मीटर. Comparing the resistivity of above materials, it clear that resistivity of semiconductor is quite high as compared to conductor, but it is quite low when compared with insulator. This shows that resistivity of a semiconductor lies in between conductor and insulator. Properties of semiconductor: A. The resistivity of a semiconductor is less than the insulator but more than the conductor. B. Semiconductor have negative temperature coefficient of resistivity. The resistance of semiconductor decreases with the increase of temperature and vice versa. For example, germanium is actually an insulator at low temperature, but it becomes a good conductor at high temperature. See, when a suitable metallic impurity absence, gallium etc. is added a pure semiconductor, its conducting property change appreciable. In string semiconductor 18 20 18 19 17 19. A semiconductor is strictly pure form is known as an string semiconductor. Germanium and silicon in the pure form are known as string semiconductor. They have crystalline structure. In string semiconductor, at low temperature, the electron are strongly bound to the atom, and the conduction is not possible. When temperature is increased more and more electrons becomes available for conduction. Germanium has 4 valence and germanium 4 होता है कोवैलेंस बॉन्ड. वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन जर्मेनियम में 4 होता है. होल्स. A simplified representation of crystalline structure of semiconductor germanium at absolute zero temperature. B. Crystalline structure of germanium at room temperature. Each of the 4 electrons form covalent bonds with 1 valence electrons of the adjacent atom. Thus, every electron is tightly bound, and an appreciable energy is required to release an electron from its bond. When temperature is increased, covalent bond are broken. Once covalent bond is broken, the electrons is released and moves through the crystal in the same manner as electrons moves in metals. When an electron is removed from the covalent bond, an empty space is left behind when is known as holes and has a unity positive charge. The holes moves through the crystal lattice in random manner as liberated electron and contribute to current. When an electron field is applied, a semiconductor in which electrons and holes are created by thermal excitation across the energy gap is called an string semiconductor. The electron reaching conduction band due to thermal excitation leaves equal number of holes in various band. In string semiconductor, concentration of a hole and electrons must have be always same. A simplified representation of the crystalline structure of semiconductor germanium at absolute zero and at room temperature is shown in figure 1a and b respectively. The energy band is string semiconductor is shown in figure 2. Free electron holes, forbidden energy gap, electron hole pair, energy conduction band. String semiconductor 18, 20, 18, 19, 17, 19. The string semiconductor are little importance because of negligible conductivity and moreover the conductivity has little flexible. These limitations are removed by adding a small and measured amount of chemical impurity to the string semiconductor. The resulting semiconductor is known as string semiconductor. The above added impurity is very small, of the order of the n atom per millions of the pure semiconductor. The process of adding impurity up to the semiconductor is known as doping. Thus, when impurity atoms are added to a pure semiconductor, the electrical properties are altered. The purpose of adding impurity to increase either the number of free electrons or holes in semiconductor crystal. If pentavalent having 5 valence electron in added to the semiconductor, a large number of free electrons are produced in the semiconductor. On the other hand, addition of trivalent impurity having 3 valence electron created large number of holes in the semiconductor crystal. Depending upon the type of impurity added, string semiconductor are classified into n-type semiconductor, p-type semiconductor, n-type semiconductor. When a small amount of pentavalent impurity like arsenic and antimony is added to a pure semiconductor, it is known as n-type semiconductor. जर्मेनियम में 4 होते हैं, 5th electron. The addition of pentavalent impurity provided large number of free electron in the semiconductor crystal. Pentavalent impurity which produce n-type semiconductor are known as donor impurity because they donate or provide free electron to the semiconductor crystal as shown in figure 3. 4 valence electron or arsenic atom form covalent bond with the electrons of 4 adjacent germanium atoms. The 5th valence electrons of arsenic atoms find no place in covalent bond and is thus free. The small but finite amount of energy is required to detach in the arsenic atom. This atoms of energy is known as ionization energy of arsenic atom. In germanium, ionization energy of arsenic, antimony, phosphorus atoms is found be approximately equal to 0.08 electron volt. Almost all arsenic atoms are ionized at room temperature, so that the 5th electron is arsenic atoms is detached completely and move freely. In germanium crystal mode are the impurity atoms greater will be free electron. Thus the of the pure energy band diagram n-type semiconductors. Forbidden band, donor electron, energy band. Conductivity germanium increasing since the current carrier are negatively charged particle. This type of semiconductor is called n-type semiconductor. As impurity atoms donate electrons on the crystal, it is called donor. Thermal energy of the room temperature still generated a few electron holes pair. However, the number of free electron provided by pentavalent impurity far exceed the number of holes. The holes in n-type semiconductor are known as minority carrier, while the free electron are known as majority carrier. Figure 4 show the energy band diagram of n-type semiconductor. Donor represent isolated energy level located so close the conduction band that very little energy is required to detach on the electron from the donor level into the conduction band where is available for the conduction of electricity. दूसरा p type semiconductor, when a small amount of trivalent impurity like gallium and indium is added to a pure semiconductor, it is called p type semiconductor. The addition of trivalent impurity provided a large number of the holes in the semiconductor. Such impurity which produce p-type semiconductor are known as acceptor impurity because the holes created can accept the free electron. As shown in figure 5, 3 valence electron of gallium atoms form covalent bonds with the electrons of the 3 adjacent germanium atoms. There is deficiency of one electron and this deficiency is called a hole. The remaining 4th atom of the germanium also try to form a covalent bond. As a result, to complete the covalent bond, an electron from neighborhood germanium atom is captured due to thermal effect. Therefore, a hole is created in a adjacent from atom that moves in crystal in the random manner. Synergy required to jump an electron into the holes of approximately equal to the ionization energy of donor level in the same material impurity atom that contribute holes in the manner are terms as acceptor because they accept electrons from germanium atom. Since the current carrier are positively charged particle, this type of semiconductor is called the p-type semiconductor. As impurity atom accept electron, it is called acceptor. Thermal energy of atom temperature still generator a few electron holes pair. However, the number of holes provided by trivalent impurity of exceed the number of electrons. The electron is n-type semiconductor are known as minority carrier, while the holes are known as acceptor holes, forbidden band, conduction band, acceptor holes, energy level, valence holes, forbidden band. Energy band diagram are p-type semiconductor. Majority carrier figure 6 show the energy band diagram of p-type semiconductor. Acceptor represent isolation energy level. Isolate so close to the valence band that very little energy is required to accept an electron from the valence band. p-n junction, when a p-type semiconductor is suitably joined to n-type semiconductor, the contact surface is called p-n junction. Most semiconductor device contain one of more p-n junction. The p-n junction is greatly important in electronics. Formation of depletion layer, when a piece of p-type material is in contact with n-type material, then the free electrons near the junction in the n region begin to diffuse across junction into p region where they combine with holes near the junction. The result is that n region holes loses free electrons as they diffuse into the junction. This created a layer of positive charge pentavalent ion near the junction. As the holes moves across the junction, the p region loses holes as the electrons and holes combine. The result is that there is a layer of negative charge trivalent ion near the junction. The two layers of position and positive and negative charge from the depletion region or depletion layer. The term depletion is due to the fact that near the junction the region is depleted of the charge carrier free electron and holes due to diffusion across the junction. The thickness of depletion region is of one order of 1/10 of micrometer. The once p-n junction is formed and depletion region created the diffusion of free electron and holes stop. In other words, the depletion region acts as a barrier to the further movement of free electrons across the junction. The positive and negative charge near the junction set up an electric field as shown in figure 7a. The electric field is barrier to free electrons in a n region. There exists a potential difference across the depletion layer and it's called barrier potential V sub 0. The barrier potential of a p-n junction depends upon several factors including the type of semiconductor, immobiles ion, p-n depletion region, v0 बराबर 0.2 वोल्ट, पोटेंशियल बैरियर CB potential barrier across p-n junction. Material, the amount of doping and temperature. The typically potential barrier is approximately 0.7 volt of silicon, 0.3 volt of germanium. The energy band diagram of p-n junction is shown in figure 7c. When the junction is formed between a p region and n region, due to Fermi level of both region attains a constant value under equilibrium condition, there the relative shift in the conduction band and valence band in p region is respect to those in n region depends the difference in Fermi energy of two region with of widths of depletion layer and height of potential barrier. If x1 and x2 are widths of depletion layer in p and n side of a p-n junction, the total widths of depletion layer x बराबर x1 plus x2. Similar with v1 and v2 potential barrier in p and n side of p-n junction, then net junction potential barrier v0 equal to v1 plus v2. The Poisson equation is one dimension is d2v बटा dx2 equal to minus rho बटा के epsilon, where epsilon is permittivity of medium. The charge of density is n. p side depletion layer is given by rho equal to minus e n suffix में a, where n suffix में represent density of acceptor ion. Equation 1 of for p sides of depletion layer is given by d2v बटा dx2 equal to e n suffix में a epsilon बटा के epsilon. On integrating we get dv बटा dx equal to e n a बटा के epsilon x plus c1, where c1 is constant of integration using boundary condition at x equal to minus x1. dv बटा dx equal to 0. Equation 4 gives c1 equal to e n suffix में a बटा के epsilon x1. dv बटा के dx equal to e n suffix में a बटा के epsilon x plus e बड़का n suffix में a बटा के epsilon x1 equal to e बड़का n suffix में a बटा के epsilon क्वेश्चन में x1 plus x plus x1. On integrating we get v equal to e बड़का n suffix में a बटा के epsilon equal to क्वेश्चन में x square बटा के 2 plus x1 x क्वेश्चन 1 plus c2, where c2 is another constant of integration. Now at x equal to 0, v equal to 0, at the junction c2 equal to 0, v equal to e n suffix में a बटा के epsilon क्वेश्चन में x square बटा के 2 plus x1 x equal to minus x1, v equal to v1. v1 इक्वल टू ई बड़का n सफिक्स में a बटा के एप्सिलॉन क्वेश्चन में x1 का स्क्वायर बटा के 2 माइनस x1 का स्क्वायर इक्वल टू माइनस ई बड़का n सफिक्स में a x1 का स्क्वायर बटा के 2 एप्सिलॉन v1 माड इक्वल टू स्मॉल ई n सफिक्स में a x1 स्क्वायर बटा के 2 एप्सिलॉन. सिमिलरली वी गेट n साइड ऑफ डिप्लेशन लेयर v सफिक्स में 2 माड इक्वल टू ई n सफिक्स में d x2 का स्क्वायर बटा के 2 एप्सिलॉन, where n suffix में d is density of donor ions in n side depletion layer. Therefore height of potential barrier across the junction is given by v naught equal to v1 plus v2 equal to e क्वेश्चन में n suffix में a x1 स्क्वायर प्लस n suffix में d x2 स्क्वायर बटा के 2 एप्सिलॉन 6. Since the crystal as a whole of is electrically neutral, the number of both sides of charge carrier must be equal. Therefore n suffix में a x1 equal to n suffix में d x2 n suffix में x2 equal to n suffix में a बटा के n suffix में d x1. Substituting the value of x2 in equation in 6 we get v naught equal to e बड़का n suffix में a बटा के 2 एप्सिलॉन x1 का स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन में 1 प्लस n suffix में a बटा के n suffix में d दिस x1 equal to 2 एप्सिलॉन v0 बटा के e बड़का n suffix में a क्वेश्चन में 1 प्लस n suffix में a बटा के n suffix में d घाते 1/2 इक्वल टू 2 एप्सिलॉन v naught बटा के e इंटू n suffix में d बटा के n सफिक्स में a बटा के n सफिक्स में a प्लस n सफिक्स में d के घाते 1/2. सिमिलरली वी गेट x2 इक्वल टू 2 एप्सिलॉन v naught बटा के e बड़का n सफिक्स में d क्वेश्चन में 1 प्लस n सफिक्स में d बटा के n सफिक्स में a के घाते 1/2 इक्वल टू 2 एप्सिलॉन v naught बटा के e इंटू n सफिक्स में a बटा के n सफिक्स में d बटा के n सफिक्स में a प्लस n सफिक्स में d घाते 1/2. देयरफॉर द टोटल वाइड्स ऑफ डिप्लेशन लेयर x इक्वल टू x1 प्लस x2 इक्वल टू 2 एप्सिलॉन v naught बटा के e घाते 1/2 क्वेश्चन में n सफिक्स में d बटा के n सफिक्स में a बटा के n सफिक्स में a प्लस n सफिक्स में d घाते 1/2 प्लस n सफिक्स में a बटा के n सफिक्स में d बटा के n सफिक्स में a प्लस n सफिक्स में d घाते 1/2 x इक्वल टू 2 एप्सिलॉन v0 बटा के ई क्वेश्चन में एन सदिश में ए प्लस एन सदिश में डी खाते 1/2, दूसरे क्वेश्चन में एन सदिश में डी बटा एन सदिश में ए खाते 1/2 प्लस एन सदिश में ए बटा एन सदिश में डी खाते 1/2। if n सदिश में d is greater than n सदिश में a, then n सदिश में a plus n सदिश में d tends to n सदिश में d and n सदिश में a बटा n सदिश में d tends to 0। x इक्वल टू 2 epsilon b0 बटा e बटा n सदिश में d घाते 1/2, n सदिश में d बटा n सदिश में a घाते 1/2 इक्वल टू 2 epsilon b सदिश b naught बटा e n सदिश में a घाते 1/2। hence these equations show that weights of depletion layer decreases with increase in impurity conduction biasing of p-n junction। in p-n junction there are followed two bias condition: a forward biasing, b reverse biasing। a forward biasing: to apply forward bias, positive terminal of the battery is connected to p type and negative terminal to n type as shown in figure are the applied forward potential established an electric field which acts against the potential barrier field। obviously the resultant field is weakened and the barrier height is reduced at the p-n junction figure 8b and c since potential barrier height is very small, similarly 0.2 volt, and hence a small forward voltage is sufficient to completely eliminate the barrier। obviously at the some forward voltage the potential barrier at the p-n junction can be eliminated together, then the junction resistance will becomes almost zero and a low resistance path is stabilized for the entire circuit। thus a large current is generated in the circuit given for the small potential difference applied। since a circuit is called forward bias circuit and the current is called forward current, holes, electrons, plus minus, depletion region, potential barrier, no internal field, potential barrier under external field, cb हो गया। रिवर्स बायसिंग, पी-एन जंक्शन अंडर फॉरवर्ड बायसिंग, ये था फॉरवर्ड बायसिंग। रिवर्स बायसिंग: टू अप्लाई रिवर्स पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल of the battery is connected to n type and negative terminal to p type so that figure 9 the potential at the n side will draw the free electron always from the junction and the negative potential at applied voltage in the same as the direction of potential barrier potential। as a result the barrier height increased and depletion region then due to the change in electric field with the battery connection, then the majority carrier cannot combine at the junction and majority current cannot flow। however reverse bias cannot cause a reverse current to flow because thermally generated minority carrier are present in both p and n region। the free electron in the p region and the holes in p n region are minority carrier। now with